Hi guys, what's up, it's Bella. Welcome to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. I'm going to be doing an updated what's in my travel makeup bag. I believe the last time I did any type of like what's in my makeup bag was about 2 years ago, so it's been a hot minute, so it's time for an updated one. As you can... Okay, well, yeah, I was gonna say, as you can tell, it's literally overflowing, which was proof of what I just broke. I was also planning on reorganizing it today. So that was my Dior foundation stick, and she's pretty wrecked now. Great. Amazing. As I was saying, you can tell she's pretty full and I want to organize it today, like while I go through the video. She's also a little dirty, so this is a very raw video. All the products I talk about are linked down below for you guys to purchase if you guys are interested, and I have so many videos trying out all of these products, so be sure to check them out. And without further ado, let's get into it, because this bag needs to be reorganized. There's no specific order. I'm just gonna go off what is on top of my makeup bag. So we have two foundations. This is the NARS Natural Radiant. I love this stuff so much. I recently picked this up, I believe in a Sephora haul. I had used it for years and I just forgot about it, and I love it. It's the Santa Fe shade. The shade is a little light for me right now, so I do need a darker shade, but I love it. It's a really good long wear foundation, very natural, medium build, just such a classic. And now we have my broken $50 Dior foundation stick. So this is the shade 3N. Love this so much. This is definitely a runner-up with the NARS. Makes my skin look so good. It's a very long wear. It's not cakey, and I love the stick foundation. It's very creamy. Not wearing it today. I'm wearing some sunscreen on my face, but I do love it. I've used it in countless videos. It's definitely a favorite. This is the Hourglass Vanish Concealer. I have the shade Sepia. I do like this a lot. I do want to try some others that I picked up in some recent videos. I want to try the Kosas one, and I think there's another one that I just picked up. I think it's by Tower 28. I do like this one a lot, but I hate how dirty and like gross the cap gets. Like, I feel like there's a way to streamline the grossness that happens on top. So not the biggest fan of that, but I do like the wear of it. I don't know, right now it's just my go-to, so I just have it in this bag. I've got a bunch of different makeup brushes. I have some from Bling Brushes. If you guys like the ones with the bedazzles, they work so well. You guys can use code GORIA for 10% off their website. And I also have some Refi. I also have a Makeup by Mario, and then this really old Morphe one that I use for like the inner corner highlight. I just like to have multiple different ones, so I like all of them. They're all very good. Of course, we have a beauty blender, which I need to get a new one. It has like a little weird stain on it, but the other day Sephora was doing like $10 beauty blenders, and I should have ordered it, but they sold out of stock so quick, and I was traveling, so I just didn't have time to order. But this is just such a good blender. Always love how it makes my makeup look. If you're new to my channel, you are now gonna know that I'm obsessed with any type of cream product. So right now I've been really into Say for my blush and my like cream bronzer slash contour. The shade I have in the blush is Chili. I love it so much. I am wearing it right now, and then I put powder on my face, and then I just top it off with the Hourglass blush, which I'll show in a second. But I just love a good cream product. I love how natural it looks. I really like love the longevity that it provides with the powder. Just makes your makeup last longer, and I just like love the ethereal look of it. And then the bronzer is the shade Swim. Love this one so much. I actually do use it with my Refi brush. I blend it out with this side. It's never patchy. It's the perfect color for me as like a olive medium skin tone, and it is just so freaking good. I do want to try more cream bronzers slash contours though, so if you guys have any recommendations, of course you have to let me know. This is my current lip combo. It's the Tarte Maracuja Dusty Rose lip liner. I have literally talked about this in countless videos. I'm just obsessed with it. I'm wearing it right now, and then I have it paired with the Summer Fridays Cherry Lip Butter Balm. This is my favorite Summer Fridays balm. I do hate the taste. I literally think it tastes horrible, but I love the tint that it provides, so I'm just going to continue to use it. It just kind of tastes like old cherry medicine, but the combo is amazing. It's very natural for an everyday wear. This is not something I'd wear to like an event or like a dinner or something. It's just like an everyday makeup lip liner combo look. This is a freaking favorite. I love this stuff so much. I just talked about it in my empties video, which you should definitely go watch. But this is the Makeup Forever HD setting powder. I have the shade Medium Natural. It's the 2.1. It just sets your makeup so well, and it keeps all your makeup in place, gives it all day wear, and doesn't add like a lot of crazy coverage or cakiness to your face. And then once you use some setting spray, which I'll show you what I have, it's the Urban Decay All Nighter. They did send this mini one to me. It just melts so good together. So these two are just such a good combo. Love it so much. I can wear this powder with like a full face or even like light makeup. It just goes with either. And then of course, this is the best setting spray. It is an all day wear. It melts your makeup, really keeps it in place, and it just is so good. Gotta have a little latte break. I literally wish I could make every single one of you an iced latte, because I'm genuinely convinced that, obviously I'm Bella the barista, but I'm genuinely convinced that I make the best iced lattes at home, and I always have the cutest cups and the cutest straws. I wish I could like share that with you guys. Now moving on to some powders that I have in my bag. I have 3 that I'm just so diehard obsessed with. I'm sure you guys have heard me talk about them on my channel countless times. But first we have the YSL All Hours Hyper Bronze. I have the shade, why can't I see the shade on here? Maybe it's 03, not quite sure. I mean, can we have a moment for the packaging, the luxurious packaging, and also my nails that I just got done. But the packaging, it's so gorgeous. And obviously the bronzer, she looks beat. You can barely see the YSL emblem. It's a really nice bronzy tone on me as someone who's an olive medium skin tone gal. I just love it. It is all day wear. It's so good. It's buttery. It doesn't patch up, but it's very pigmented. So make sure when you put your brush in, you tap a lot off because you're gonna have some splotches. But it is easy to kind of blend out with like a bigger powder brush. Hourglass has my favorite blush. This is the Ambient Lighting Blush. This shade is Sublime Flush. I've been using this for years. I also really love the palettes that they have that they drop around Christmas time. I have all of those, love them so much, but this is my favorite shade and I just love it. It's the perfect light baby pink. It's a little bit cool, but it has some really pretty like sparkle flecks in it. Really adds a nice glow to your cheeks, and of course it's all day wear, especially with this little combo with it. This is such an OG primer and I have used this for years. I used this when I first started my makeup channel, but I strayed away from it because there's just so many other things that come out. And sometimes you just get lost in the sauce and you forget about the OGs that really brought you through. So Too Faced recently sent this to me a few months ago and I just started reusing it again. It's the Hangover Primer and it's just a very, very hydrating primer that just gives like a nice base to your face. It also has like a little bit of tackiness once it sits and once you blend it in. So it does provide a good like tacky base for your makeup. But overall it's just very hydrating and just gives a really nice like soft skin glow. I recently got this one and I put it in my makeup bag just so I could try it out a little bit more. I hate the applicator. It just gets so messy. Again, I feel like there's a different way to streamline all the messiness that happens. Like you can see, it's literally dripping out and I'm not even squeezing it. So that is definitely a flaw with this packaging. I can't stand it, but I love the product. It is very, very like buildable. So I tried it on my TikTok because I just bought it and I wanted to try it and I definitely really like it. I feel like the color is a little off for me and maybe I used a little too much. I feel like this could be like a full long wear foundation, so be careful. A little goes a very long way. For mascaras, I always use 2 different ones. So I always use Too Faced Better Than Sex on my upper. It's my favorite mascara. I also really love the YSL Lash Clash, but I just ran out, so I just replenished with this. And then lower lashes, I will only ever use Benefit Roller Lash. I just love, let me show you why I love it. It's the curved little applicator. Like it just fits so well on the bottom lashes and really like doesn't clump them. It like pulls each one, like coats it very nicely. This is just the best lower lash mascara. And then of course Too Faced Better Than Sex is just Too Faced Better Than Sex. It's just the best one. It is a very thick wand, doesn't clump at all, and I honestly have used it for like 8+ years and it's never failed me. My lash curler is by Shiseido. I really like this one. I always found that this was like the best one talked about, so I ended up getting it about 5 years ago, I would say, and I haven't strayed away. Like it is still working very well. Love it so much. It really does like emphasize your lashes. It makes them really curved and makes it last longer. Just a really good lash tool. I have this little Sephora collection lip liner / eyeliner sharpener. I use this a lot for the Ilia. I think the ones like the Ilia lip liners, they're really big. They fit perfect in this. And then this is just like a standard size for like other lip liners that are sharpened or like eyeliners. But I always have this with me because you never know when you need it. Last 2 products in here, I have the Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Brow Micro Precision Tinted Brow Gel. I really do like this stuff, but I got a Maybelline one in my little LTK event that I went to a few weeks ago, and I like it so much better than this one. It's also like half the price. So for me, like an eyebrow product, I just like see no need in purchasing a very expensive one when it's just for eyebrows. I mean, of course, everything and everyone has their place, but I just feel like this, it's good, but I feel like I like the Maybelline one better. And then this is a little Amazon product that I'm obsessed with. It's like a lip tint, but it's like a lip liner, if that makes sense. So it goes on like really dark. You like line your lips, let it sit for about 5 to 6 minutes until it's dry, and you peel it off, and it's like a long lasting lip liner, and I love it. It's just great because I don't have to reapply lip liner throughout the day when I use this. I really like to use it when I have really long days ahead of me and I want to make sure my lips just look good all day. And then I'll just like reapply Summer Fridays lip balm on top of it, and it's just great. So I definitely recommend getting this on Amazon. And then of course my makeup bag is from Louis Vuitton. I do need to clean her out. She's really gross. I got this one in the Tampa store, but I saw it in the Las Vegas store last year. Loved it so much, but they didn't have it in stock, so we just decided to order it in Tampa. makeup. I believe it's called the Nice BB Vanity or something like that. I don't know, but it's the Color Mania red collection. I really love the red color. So, but I do need to clean it. So let's reorganize it now. I always put these 4 products on top of each other because they take up the most space, and then I just start laying products down. I do have a bigger makeup case from Louis Vuitton, but this one I keep inside my house because my office is like outside, and sometimes I just don't want to go out there and do my makeup, you know? So this is, again, is like my everyday / travel makeup bag, so I just kind of keep it inside. Makeup brushes always go at the top, and they're always a little bit hard to fit. Lucky for me, I was able to zip it, no issues, but that is everything that is in my everyday / travel makeup bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My quote of the day is a Bible verse. It's Joel 2:25, and it says, "The Lord says, I will give you back 7 times what you lost." The mindset of most of us humans is that when God takes away something, he's punishing us, and that is just far from the truth. I feel like that is not the case, and that is not the mindset that we need to have. When God takes something away from you, it's because he's giving you something so much better and something that's different for you, and that's more in his will. So I believe in this verse wholeheartedly, and I think you should too. It also goes hand in hand that God knows the desires of your heart, and he wants what you want for you 10 times more. Love you guys so much. I'm gonna go film some more videos, and I'll see you guys in my very next one. Mwah. Bye.